So I think the main thing is to really understand the mission. Like, what are you really trying to achieve? So our mission at Electrify America is to transform transportation, right? To shift everybody to electric transportation. And so to do that, a hyper-fast network so that someone can go anywhere and charge in minutes rather than hours, just like you would fuel your gas-powered vehicle today, is what's needed to drive that confidence for people to make the switch. But bringing that charging everywhere and anywhere is extremely difficult. Electrify America is the largest hyperfast charging network in the United States. We operate well over 4,000 hyperfast chargers at over 1,000 stations. When we install a charging station, we're talking about a lot of power that we're bringing into any one location and a lot to ask from the utility or the grid to be able to supply. And so in some areas, the grid is able to supply that power as needed, but in other areas, you can't get that kind of power. So we really had to take a step back and think about, how do we solve this problem?
When Electrify America wanted to expand hyper-fast charging available, especially in rural areas, instead of waiting for years for the utility to build out additional wires and infrastructure, it became clear that we needed to approach this problem in a different way. We looked at what was the biggest bet that we could make to enable the best customer experience. And that led us to consider the use of energy storage, or BESS, in order to supplement that grid capacity.
So a battery energy storage system is kind of like a tank of water, right? So if you're in the desert and it only rains so often, but you need water anytime, you build a big tank. And when it rains, you collect all the rainwater you can, and then you're able to use that water until the next rain comes, right? But you have enough stored up. So a battery energy storage system kind of works the same way. This technology allows us to expand hyperfast charging throughout the country.
Hyper-fast charging enables close to gasoline level refueling speeds for compatible EVs, about 20 times or more faster than charging at home. And so solutions like energy storage are going to enable more transportation electrification solutions to happen today.
Whenever we install a charging station, we have to work with the utility, with the permitting office, and other jurisdictions to allow that infrastructure to go in. This is new technology. People are becoming more and more comfortable with how we're using it. And so that's allowing us to scale bigger and bigger into more areas of the country. And a lot of the areas are in places that are typically underserved. And so having this type of infrastructure close to them plays a very important role to help those communities get into an electric vehicle. To really shift people from combustion engines to electric transportation, people need to know that they can go anywhere just like they can in their gas-powered vehicle today. And so battery energy storage systems allowed us to do that. Whatever the problem is, we just always look at it from every different angle of how it could be solved, whether it's through existing technology or newer technologies, and continue to work to solve that and not let any barrier get in our way.